Your Excellency Prime Minister, Your Excellency government members, Your Excellency Algerian Minister of Pharmaceutical Industry, Your Excellency Chinese Ambassador to Algeria, respected parliament members, respected diplomatic corps, respected CEO of SIDEL, all the pharma operator, honored assistants, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I'm deeply honored to witness the launch of SIDA's local production project of COVID-19 vaccine from SINOVAC, named CoronaVac in Algeria. I would like to express my sincere congratulations to SIDA to Algeria. I believe through these local projects, both SIDA and SINOVAC will be able to contribute more to the fighting against the pandemic of COVID-19 and to protect the people in Algeria. I would like to express my gratitude to Algerian government, especially to the Algerian embassy in China, to support us to materialize these projects. This represents a firm step for our collaboration, and we are willing to deepen such cooperation in the long term. SIDA and SINOVAC start discussion about this collaboration on local production of COVID-19 vaccine through the Algerian ambassador to China since April this year. A local manufacturing agreement has been entered in July this year. And after that, the first batch of ready-to-fill bulk vaccine was successfully delivered to Algeria in this August. And we sent our expert team to provide technical support to facilitate the local production. I would like to express our gratitude to all parties for your strong support to these projects. With the joint efforts between all parties, we are expecting to see that the first batch of locally produced COVID-19 vaccine will be successfully launched by SIDA in Algeria. Our goal is more than just producing the COVID-19 vaccine. In the future, we are also expecting to establish a long-term partnership moving from COVID-19 into other products. SINOVAC's mission is to supply vaccines to eliminate human diseases. SIDA and SINOVAC are sharing the same value and same goal. Finally, I want to conclude by congratulating again to the establishment of these local production projects in Algeria, and we are looking forward to forming a long-term partnership with SIDA in Algeria. Thank you.